Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2 Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on Likee app. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to have Likee app in your mobile. If you don't have it, just go to Play Store and download it from there. Or if you are using iOS device, just go to App Store and download from there. So to follow the step, please watch the video till the end. So to go to live, you just need to have Likee app, which I'll be opening here. So now you have to click on this plus sign, which is in the bottom side of the screen. Just click on the plus sign. And now in the bottom side, you can see live or video or photo or super mix. So now it's on the video mode. Now you need to go to live. So you can write in the attract viewer with a nice title, your title or any description you want to just public it, and you can choose here public or private and save it. And you can change cover. Automatic cover has been filled. It will be invalid next live. So now to go live, you just have to click on this go live. And if you want to go solo, just click on solo, or you want to add any friends or any person, you just go to here multi-person or audio room or match. So in this way, you can go to live on Likee app. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button.